Hey, so you're tired of getting that annoying sleep mode prompt on your Instagram and missing important notification? So here's how you can turn this quiet mode off and get your notifications back. So first from your Instagram, go to your profile and here you can see the sleep mode is on. So you just have to go to this hamburger menu and find the time management option. Next, go to the sleep mode, which is actually on from here. And here you can either customize the timing, select specific days, or just turn it off completely by toggling it off and saving. And once it's off, go back from here and see it's off. Now go to your profile and you will see the sleep mode is gone. And that's it. No more missing important notifications. And I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.